me to tell you some fun facts about the Republican Party. First, we believe in small government, and government that with a large army can best protect peace and freedom. Everyone loves free enterprise and tax cuts, and here in the Republican Party, we don't waste money on unnecessary government projects. Wait, these aren't fun facts at all. They're just truthful. We've been chipped. So easy, a Democrat can join. Weapons these days, I believe in cause of best in America. If I recruiting ozone mine, it's time to join a party that will give you your benefits that you need. We want to equally share this country with the finest resources. We want to give you an energy efficient economy. Can your party offer you this? Are you in good hands?
Yeah. Okay, not that much.
You're kidding. Sarah, honey, don't throw away your old loyalty just because there's a new president. Mom, the Republican Party is so old. I'm not the one who gets me. I don't understand. The Republican Party is fine. No, please explain. I just don't understand. The Democratic Party is all about the group. They're about helping more than just the individual. They're also pro-choice, and they want health care for everyone. They have a large government, and they tax, but that's to provide for the poor. Think of someone other than yourself, Mom. Whatever, you're grounded.
Yeah.
Hey, Mac.
Hey, PC. I was just about to tell them how awesome the Free Soil Party is.
Seriously? That's so outdated.
Well, it was all the ideas we based our country off of. I mean, they were correct that slavery is economically inefficient and it should not be spread west.
That's not that great.
Really? Well, they also supported the homestead law, giving privileges to owners of homesteads, which are large farms, and tariff for revenue only.
Can I join?
Sure, but you're pretty outdated.
Yeah. Mom, you have to cool it with the Facebook statuses. Are you serious? We know you want individual freedom that separates the government from the government, but you're clogging all the systems.
And please, we know that the church and state need to be separate, but you need to stop with the Twitter.
Church and state do need to be separate.
We know.
Hey, Mom, please don't start one more Facebook group about how we should stop taxing and regulation on our private property.
I mean, you get the hint. You only have one supporter.
It's time to move away from technology. You're just too old.